Hi, I'm Ricky Middleton, service writer at Jack Burford Chevrolet. Welcome to another Maintenance Minute, where I provide you with information on how you and your family can stay safe on the roadways this winter. For starters, make sure that your battery is winter ready. At Jack Burford Chevrolet, we offer free battery inspection every business day. And should you need a new battery, ask about our $10 mail-in rebate offer on the purchase and installation of select batteries. Plus, save $20 on our popular winter bundle offer, which includes front wiper blade replacement, coolant drain and refill, inspection of all belts and hoses, and the previously mentioned battery check. And if you've noticed that your brakes are squeaking or not functioning properly, it could be time to replace your brake pads. At Jack Burford Chevrolet, our service professionals will replace your brake pads for $139 per axle plus tax. And the service also includes a complimentary multi-point inspection. Remember, our service department is open Monday through Friday, 7:30 to 5:30 and 8 to 2 on Saturday. To schedule a service appointment, simply speak to a service advisor or schedule by phone by calling 623-3350 and online at jackburford.com. Thanks for watching the Jack Burford Chevrolet Maintenance Minute with Ricky Middleton, and stay safe on the roads.